blessed evening, people. Good night. You see it? Near and afar, you don't know the hottest show on this planet, you know. Hottest show, rise upon the showcase. So today we have the artist, we're just going to lay it off right away. So we have Steel Rapidburst, we have Dominance, we have Vadenuh, we have Teardropz, Nyshann. People, you see them artists, I'll check them out. They can listen to their music on YouTube, them Instagram page. You just do the right thing, because the man them hot, especially Steel Rapidburst. The man tune international gal is it hot. And Dominance, my head, my shoulder, man thick, but oh God. Vadenuh, living the looks, oh God, and Teardropz with the big tune, crime free. And Nyshann, take the plane. You don't know we have to take plane, you know. Yeah man, we have to reach. Flight pan back a flight, back a flight. We just have fly all about. So you see them artists and people who want to check them out, show them the love. You see, give them the support, because them money are going to run it now, you know. And them money are going to run it now, you know. You see it, all them artists, money, all them big artists, the Cartel, Alkaline, Massacre, and them money. You see it? For them time soap and them money when me a feature upon the showcase from last week till this week. You see it? And further on. Because I don't know just pure talent we look for. So people no check out our YouTube channel KingstyleEnt.Teeardropz and check out our Instagram pages KingstyleEnt.